Hi everyone, welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, new day, Wednesday, June the 29th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the Sudoku Medium, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. But in this newspaper we have also, let me see which page. Yeah, here. Yes. We have an additional with 7 again. 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku. I do not like the letter Sudokus because now they published with more than the same letters. So it will be difficult. The 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. Yes. And I'm a little bit happy because we have a killer Sudoku. Yeah, long time no see the killer Sudoku. But first we will solve the binary. This is my first puzzle. And yeah, the news of today. Yeah, it will be day number 126, war. Day number 126, 126 days ago, the war has started in Ukraine. Yes, that's the news. All right. The binary, this will be number 4770. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 5 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, then we have 4 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. If I place the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 5 1's, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5, the 5th one. Then. Let me see. Double one, here no, there no. 5 1's. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one in this column, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here one, there one. double one, here no, there no. We have here 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then well, we have still 4 ones here. If I place number 4, the number 5th, sorry, yeah, the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. And an O between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the 5th one. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, oh, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Finish in 6 minutes. Go away binary without any comparing. Yes, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, medium Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.